welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to go to this tower and we're gonna jog there and we're gonna bring you guys with us. Alright, so we found Dillon and Connor. Dillon and Connor, if you haven't been to my channel, make sure you subscribe and turn that notification bell. And give a huge thumbs up. That has something in his mouth, and he jumped. Okay, so this guy, he had this in.
Okay, watch out.
And a birdie. Yeah, birdie. And a birdie was eating it. Yeah.
So that's what the bird had in its mouth, right?
Yeah, so and that's bad for the environment and the bird.
So what do you do with it? We have to put it in the trash so another bird doesn't come.
Yeah.
Poor bird was going to eat that.
And yeah, Connor's right here, and that's the water, and I'm so scared. Woo. Oh my god, it's really crazy up here. And we have to be careful because if you slip, you will fall into water. Okay, this is what I'm talking about, big holes. Because that is a huge hole. Like, oh, and I cannot go out. Crazy. Yes, my sister, it is really scary. Like, oh my god. Guys, you want to see me get my foot in here? Here, come. Oh, so if you go over there, oh my god, I'm so scared. I have this wrist. Well, I'm on a ledge. Yeah. Down there is water. Yeah, water. I don't know if you guys can. I'm really scared that I'm gonna drop my camera down here. Yeah. You don't wanna dip your foot in or no? Okay, I'm gonna dip my foot in. Look at that water. Look at that. Everybody wants you to see. Ah! I did not do it. Because I am. Guys, she dipped her foot in. Now I'm gonna dip my foot. Okay. Here. So guys, so maybe that's the water. It's gonna dip his foot in that way. Oh my god, I'm so scared. Why? Okay, he went and dipped his foot. And 7:30 at night, and we have to walk all the way back there.
I think that this rock formation that jets out into the ocean is called A, a levee, B, a rock bridge, or C, a jetty.
Rock bridge. Rock bridge. A,
a levee,
yeah,
B, a rock bridge, or C, this rock formation that jets out into the ocean, a jetty.